Hey, how's it going everybody? Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on all of our videos. So for today's analogy, I'm going to talk about the concept of elasticity using a sneaker analogy. A few weeks ago, the Jordan brand decided to release the Air Jordan 1 Retro sneakers. These sneakers were available in pine green and purple to sneaker fanatics worldwide. The retail price for the sneaker was $160, and the chances of purchasing the sneaker at a retail location were low due to high demand and limited supply. Most people had to purchase the sneaker in the resale market using websites like eBay and StockX. Consumers have made it clear that regardless of how expensive Air Jordans are selling for in the market, they will still purchase the coveted sneaker. Within economics, there is a concept that explains this phenomenon, and it is called elasticity. Elasticity measures the manner in which a change in price of a specific product impacts the demand for the same item. For the Jordan 1 Retros, prices have skyrocketed on the resale market. There are individuals paying $500 plus for certain sizes of this sneaker, even though it retailed at $160. In a normal world, one would expect consumers to shy away from paying that much money for a sneaker, but it is clear that everyone wants Air Jordans. It is safe to conclude that the new J's have a low elasticity, meaning no matter how outrageous the price tag is, there is someone out there willing to cop this sneaker. So I hope you guys found that analogy helpful, and be sure to stay tuned for more content at www.SimpMe.com.